everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today it's almost the end of the year now. It's currently, for me, it's 31st of December, and it's the last day of the year now. So actually, tubebuddy add this little thing here. It's basically year in review, which sounds very good though. Sounds good to me, and I think it sounds good to you. So basically, it's just, reveal all like the analytics and stuff like that. Alright, then let's just give it a go. Please select a channel. Showing tutorial is me. Alright, and then click to start. Sound is on, okay. Maybe I'm just gonna play a little bit of like the audio at the back, something like that. Alright, click to start. First, let's go back. Alright, first of how you began? Hey, not bad. I think. Wait, am I? Oh my gosh. Oh wait, I accidentally clicked on that. Never mind. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I got that kind of views. Thank you guys for just watching all of these videos. Thank you. Alright, performance versus last year. Oh my gosh. Wait, really? 300%, and the views changes 2000%, and the uploads not that much, but I think it's still okay. Okay, there we go. How are you, and how you're ending this year? 177 subs, 10k view, 10k views. Thank you guys for for completing this milestone. So we have completed some big milestones this year, which is 100 subs and 10k views. That is good. And uploads is not that much, but yeah, I'm trying to upload like much more often. But I have likes increased, comments are increased, shares are increased, but I'm not quite sure who shared. Hours watched 200. That is good. What a year, let's face it. 2020 has been a tough year. Through all the videos has helped us to bring us together and unite as a community. We believe it's more important than ever to take a moment to celebrate you and everything you have able to accomplish this year. I think we're so proud of the entire tubebuddy communities of creators. Let us be the first toast. Okay, Shawin tutorials in 2021. May it be your best year yet. Happy creating. Alright, then this is just the members. Alright, that's the member. Be proud and share what you have accomplished. Another channel? What? Alright. Then they end with this. So if you want to go and download tubebuddy now, that actually help with your channel. I'll just gonna leave the link down below. Also, this is not sponsored, I'm just recommending you. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it with the videos. So I hope you guys have a nice year, like the next year. I hope you guys have fun with next year coming, 2021. And yeah, thank you for all the support and of this process is coming through the year. Actually, I never expected to go to like at this point, because I have like 1k views, almost 2k now, and like 3 videos of 1k views already. And also for the performance, really thank you for that. I have a growth, kind of like my channel is growing very much. Look at how much it changed. I never really expected me to go like this far this year. And yeah, thank you guys for supporting me in this year. I hope you guys support me in the next year as well. Yeah, it's really good. So this is all the process that I've done in in 2020. Quite impressive though. And I hope the next year is better. And yeah, Happy New Year, guys. Also, I'll see you guys in the next year and in the next video. Goodbye.